Right now, there is a frantic search and rescue mission continuing in the Atlantic. It has been 3 days since 5 men in a sub disappeared just after beginning their journey to explore the wreckage of the Titanic. It's more than 2 miles underwater. NBC's Jay Gray is in Boston and joins us now with the latest on the efforts focused about 900 miles from the Massachusetts coast. Jay.
Hey there, the command and control center for this massive search and rescue effort is inside the U.S. Coast Guard headquarters here in Boston. They're directing these teams, international rescue teams, in what are at times treacherous conditions. Obviously, incredible logistical challenges they are facing, dealing with a situation more than 2 miles below the surface of the ocean, and time is running short for so many of those teams. Look, the U.S. Navy is rushing salvage equipment into the area with the hopes that if this sub is located, they can use that to pull it from the water and free the 5 men who have been trapped inside for more than 3 days now. We know that Canadian planes using sonar have hit on some sounds beneath the waves out there in the middle of the North Atlantic. And so that's where they've repositioned all of the remotely operated vehicles, the underwater drones that are searching for this sub that is about 22 feet long. The size of a minivan is what those who know the vehicle describe it as. And so that tough find in an area that's larger than the state of Connecticut. They continue to work, but again, the clock is becoming a major issue right now. The estimates are there's around 24 hours of emergency oxygen left in that submersible, and so at this point it's just racing that clock and dealing with the extraordinary conditions for many of these teams, unlike any they've ever had to deal with in the past. That's the very latest right now from Boston. I'm Jay Gray. Now back to you.